Norman's on sabbatical, honey. No more darker half. Did you really think that I'd let that happen? That I'd let you take away my power just because you're blind to what true power can bring you?
You don't know me.
Don't I? I saw how she trapped you, fighting her holy moral mission. We don't need you to save us. We don't need to be fixed. These are not curses.
You don't know what you're talking about.
I've watched you from deep behind Norman's cowardly eyes, struggling to have everything you want, while the world tries to make you choose. Gods don't have to choose. We take.
Wala din.
Spider-Man. And
Record.
cut the camera.
Do it. Boo! Boo!
So,
I will film your
fine,
spot.
I'm the cameraman, but I'm Remy. But I lost my
Stay
script.
there.
I lost my script.